Today I'll share with you future indefinite tense. In last previous videos, I discussed with you future continuous tense and future perfect tense. Today I'll discuss with you future indefinite tense with all type of examples, structure and definition. So let's start. Future indefinite tense is used to express actions that will happen in the future. It indicates an action that will occur at a specific time in the future. If we talk about the structure of the future indefinite tense, so it will be like a subject plus will or shall plus first form of verb plus s or es plus object. Now we will discuss all the 7 possible subjects of future indefinite tense with the all affirmative, negative, interrogative and negative interrogative sentence examples. So let's start. First is the affirmative sentences example, like I'll go to the Kurukshetra tomorrow. You will go to the Kurukshetra tomorrow. They will go to the Kurukshetra tomorrow. We will go to the Kurukshetra tomorrow. He will go to the Kurukshetra tomorrow. She will go to the Kurukshetra tomorrow. It will rain tomorrow. Now a negative sentence examples, like I will not go to the Kurukshetra tomorrow. You will not go to the Kurukshetra tomorrow. They will not go to the Kurukshetra tomorrow. We will not go to the Kurukshetra tomorrow. She will not go to the Kurukshetra tomorrow. He will not go to the Kurukshetra tomorrow. And the last one is it will not rain tomorrow. Now the term is interrogative sentence examples, like will I go to the Kurukshetra tomorrow? Will you go to the Kurukshetra tomorrow? Will they go to the Kurukshetra tomorrow? Will we go to the Kurukshetra tomorrow? Will she go to the Kurukshetra tomorrow? Will he go to the Kurukshetra tomorrow? And last one is, will it rain tomorrow? Now negative interrogative sentence. First one is, won't I go to the Kurukshetra tomorrow? Won't you go to the Kurukshetra tomorrow? Won't they go to the Kurukshetra tomorrow? Won't we go to the Kurukshetra tomorrow? Won't he go to the Kurukshetra tomorrow? Won't she go to the Kurukshetra tomorrow? And last one is the, won't it rain tomorrow? These were the all possible examples of future indefinite tense